I didn't trust teachers. I didn't trust politicians. I didn't trust people on the evening news. I trusted music. The language of my life is written in rock and roll and punk rock and hip hop. I'd like to teach a class that makes your guitar playing meaningful to you. I'll show you ideas in chords and solos. I'm going to go through my entire arsenal of guitars, amps, and effects pedals. You practice technique to get your fingers to go where you want them to go. You practice theory to understand where they can go and why. Rock and roll is a visceral experience and a connection with the audience that should be exciting at its core. I was the only black kid in an all-white town and the only heavy metal musician at Harvard University. In a world that can be cruel and is sometimes racist and is grossly unfair, all of a sudden, with this thing on, I'm invincible. In this class, you will be able to write a song and play a guitar solo. Then we rock, even if you've never touched a guitar before. And for the advanced player, the sky's the limit. If you want to play exactly like me, you're going to figure that out in this master class. If you want to play guitar exactly like you, I'll reveal how you can create a lifetime of awesome rocking. I'm Tom Morello, and this is my master class.